Hi, thank you, Ioana.
You click show my screen.
Yeah, done.
Good, perfect.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Cindy from a chartered accounting firm. Today, I'm going to present the GST and tax impacts on the property investor. So today, I will cover about 4 topics, which is the GST impacts on the property and types of the property, the disposal of the assets by the company or the individuals, the real property gain tax, RPG, and lastly is mode of entity, whether it's by company or individual to buy the property. Okay, let's move on. The first one is the GST impacts on the property and types of property. Okay, this is the standard rated property. So the supply, it could have many types of the supply. So for the land, we could have the supply of the goods or supply of the services. If this is the transfer of the ownership or the title, this is considered as supply of the goods. But this is regarding of the lease or rent of the land or your building, then this is regarded as the supply of services. So any transaction involved in sales, lease, or rent of land and building, which is used for the commercial, administrative, and industrial purposes, is regarded as standard rated supply. Hence, it is subject to 6%. However, some of the residential building, which is designed or adapted for use as hotel, inns, or boarding house, then it also will be regarded as standard rated property. So I have summarized a summary of the commercial properties. Here we have 6 categories of the commercial properties. The first group will be under retail. Retail includes of retail stores, shopping mall, shops and complexes. Leisure, we have the hotel, boarding houses, house, homestay, restaurant, cafes and inns. Whereas for the office, we can have the office building, Soho, SOFO, and service offices. Whereas for the Soho, some of us might have the question on what is the treatment for the Soho. Small office, home office. Because there's the complexity on the Soho. So Soho normally is built on the commercial land and hence it will be treated as the commercial properties. But however, some of the Soho is regarding as the, it could be dual purposes used for like the residential and the commercial purposes. So you have to be very careful with the intensive use of the Soho and what is the usage of the Soho and what is the approved usage by the local authority which has already been applied by the developer. If the developer have already applied, this is the Soho is for the residential usage. And when you sign the S&P with the developer, it's under the HDA Act, then this Soho is considered for the residential purposes and hence this is exempt rated supply. Then move forward is the healthcare, includes of the medical center, hospitals and etc. Industrial, property, warehouse and garage, and multi-family. Here referring to the shop office. Another type of the property will be exempt property. Any transaction involved